Hi, I'm Alain Romanos from Lebanon. I'm a periodontist, implantologist specialist. I graduated from University of Alabama at Birmingham. I'll be conducting a series of courses at the Vilafortuny Training Center, and we're starting with the first one on Gummy Smile. We will be covering all aspects of the treatment, from aesthetic crown lengthening surgical techniques to the indication of Botox and filler, lip repositioning, using the surgical guide, the digital smile design. And we will be talking for 2 days, lectures, live surgery, and a workshop. I'm looking forward to see you at this event. Thank you.